Let's make this cute little pine cone bird feeder. So start by gathering some pine cones. You can either gather them from outside or you can do what I did and get them from Hobby Lobby. So the first thing that we'll do is to make a tie at the top. I'm using twine and I just cut off a piece, I don't know, maybe about 12 inches or so, and then I'm just going to tie a knot at the top or at the with the two loose pieces and make a loop. So I'm going to add some hot glue and then I'm going to put that twine at the very top to secure it. Make sure to let that dry before you are pulling on the top. And then with my butter knife, I'm going to take some peanut butter. I'm just using creamy peanut butter, and I'm going to spread it through all of those little crevices on the pine cone. And you'll want it to be covering as much as you can get without it sliding off and being too thick. So I'm just trying to get into all those little areas with that peanut butter. So now that you have it all nice and covered with peanut butter, I like to get a bowl and put my pine cone over the top of it and then just spoon on birdseed, and some of it will stick, some of it will fall through, so just be aware, and then you'll want to shake off the excess. So I'm just kind of dumping it all on there and hoping most of it's sticking. And then I like to do one coat and then kind of go back around for a second one just to catch any little bits that I might have missed. Get the excess off, and then now you're ready to hang it in your favorite tree and watch those birds.